No idea what this looks like right now. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm going to do a home gym. So what I was thinking, I have quit going to the gym. Don't find it interesting. I thought I could just make my own. So I have purchased a whole heap of mats. So I can build a whole gym floor in here. And I was thinking I could build it and put against the wall over here. Maybe later I'll show, maybe do some hooks. There's something behind this plastic over here too. So I've got this here. Let's put this mat together and see what we can do with it. Looks like there's edge pieces which you can break off to it's like doing a puzzle, so we'll do the outside bits first. So put that there. So I want to take this bit off, but not all of it, so I'll take that off. So let's build this mat first that I got from, I think I might have, I'll link this in the description where I bought this from, and whatever's behind that plastic over there as well. This is pretty much puzzle pieces. Well, it is made of foam. Excess strip, maybe I can do something with this. I don't know. Oops. Oh, maybe I could use this for one of my mini videos where I need to do some terrain or something, and I can just use like this to bulk up, something like that. We'll keep that. Maybe I'll reuse it. I think I'll do it 3 along. I could maybe fit another one, but 3 along is probably fine. So yeah, I got a, I did do a 12-month membership at Anytime Fitness, but I think I can do something in my garage. I just got to drive the car out. So I thought of a mat which I can store away easily to the side. Oh, it's a bit weird over here. I might go longer ways, maybe. Oh, I don't like that. That's a bit. There you go. That's better. So just here, you got these two edges of points, and the other side curves. So they're obviously the corner. So if I want to go longer, I think they're all corner actually. Oh no, they're not all corner. Oh, the other side's not corner, I see. So there's 2 sides, one's a corner side, one's a side side. Is that the right word? Corner side, side. Okay. That fits better. Just here, you can see the join, this one here. So I took that off one of the sides, because when they come as a piece, they come as 2 edge pieces. So there's a corner there, that's the corner piece. And then here, just a side, and it cuts off on the other side. So that just goes in the middle of, like on the long edge, and then we go to the corner. So, how long do I want this? So put this here. Well, that's perfect actually if I do that. I did measure it beforehand. So obviously my past Robbie planning has worked out. Okay, so got my mat, good size for this area. So what happens if I pick it up? Oh, okay. It's not as well as I was hoping. I might have to like tape it from the bottom, maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do to keep it. It's like falling apart now. It's not too bad though. Maybe just put a bit of gaffer tape on. So upstairs, oh, there's a cat. So upstairs is my apartment, right at the top. So I'll ring Sarah to throw some gaffer tape down, see if this works. Hello cat, little kitty here. Hello, are you able to, there's a little cat coming in. Are you able to throw some gaffer tape roll down here, please? I'll be putting this in the video. The cat's now going under the car. It's just having a little snoop. It might be in the case, the orange case. It's all right, guys. We nearly got it. This is obviously a lot easier than me walking up there and getting it, right? Yeah, just chuck me that one. Okay. Thank you. Wait. Okay. Hello?
Heavy.
Just drop it, I won't look.
Are you sure?
Drop it down there, not on me.
No. I'm so scared.
Do it. Tell me, where is it? Oh, perfect, thank you. Where is it? Okay, thank you. Love you. Got the gaff tape. Oh no, I don't want to look all my hard work. Let's do this again. Now I've made this side dirty, so it's not gonna stick as well. So what I'm gonna have to do is get out the handy broom. We can just go bang, bang, what big massive strips, eh? Let's do this. Okay. Take two, see if you can pick this up without it falling apart. Yes! Okay. Excellent. Pack away mat. As intended and perfect. Look at this. So I think in the future, I'm gonna look into putting some hooks here so make sure I can stay up. And there you go. We got some matting. Perfect gym matting here. Okay. Now, there's something I forgot. Weights. So I'm gonna go. So the tape was quite scary to fall down that many floors. So what I'm gonna do, what about 50 kilos of different dumbbell weights? We'll see how she feels about this. Hello? Okay, so you're okay with throwing the tape down. What do you think about throwing down the weights for me? Is that a yes? Okay, I'll go catch him. I'll be there in a sec to catch him. Love you. I think she liked that idea. We might have to cut it out for legal reasons though, but we're gonna do it. You just won't see it on camera. I got this just a bit pre-COVID actually, because just during COVID, I just got this for bloody, I think from maybe Target or something. Just only one there. Yeah, Target, here we go, it's on here. And because I did a bit of injury to my back and shoulders and stuff, so I wanted to just do some bit of rehab at home. So I got this and it's added to the gym. So it's just 20 kilos adjustable. Got the weight. Yeah, a lot of weight here. And now, so we've got our mat for like stretching and all that kind of stuff. We can do like sit-ups, push-ups, all that stuff on a nice soft mat. Then we got weights, so we can use the mat as well, or just do whatever. We have our mat, right? We can fold it up. We'll need like some kind of hooks or something there, okay? And we've got our weights, okay? But we're missing one thing, right? Stretch. We can work out, we need some weights. We need cardio, right? We need cardio. Something is behind here. Let's get it out. Guess what this is in the comments. Okay. Whatever it was, it's now a broken version of that. Let's do this reveal. Guess what it is? Put it in the comments. Hopefully it's not a broken version of what it was meant to be. Ready? Look at that. Oh, is that broken? Nah, it should be right. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Home gym. This packs away there. These weights pack away. So, what I'll do to finish this gym off, let's give you a bit of a montage, shall we? Let's do this. So, thank you for joining us today, guys. So, this is my home gym. I can pack this away, put the car back in, and it works. What I'm thinking about next stage, well, if you have any ideas what I could do with this space extra with the gym, let me know in the comments. What I am thinking is sort of back there, mount like a TV or a monitor, which I can hook up something to put on while I'm on the bike or at the gym, and then put hooks on this wall here to put the mat up, something like that, because I've got to run power from up there. There's only one power point on the roof, so I just got to pull the power around. But that can be, if you're interested in that, then give it a like, subscribe. What else do you say? Whew, I'm tired. So it's time to see how easy this is to pack away, which is the aim of the goal at the end of the day. Let's see. That's all right.